Ofsted checklist here is going to show you everything that needs to be on your website in order for it to be Ofsted compliant. To start the checklist, just click on Let's Get Started. It's then going to give you each section of what needs to be on your website in order for it to be compliant. You just read through the options. When you're happy, submit where that is on your website and press submit, and it'll take you through to the next section. You can skip through sections and just go through and submit any that are definitely on the website. I'm just going to click on the cross here, and you'll see that this Ofsted checklist will then just go up to say how much you have then completed. You can click into this list box here, and it's going to give you a list of all the different sections, and you can complete these manually on here, and you can also remove any that you've already completed if you want to start from scratch.